Hi guys, I'm Erica of Erica's Joyful Oven, and today I'm going to share with you guys a really simple recipe for some delicious coconut barfi. Let's get started. To begin, to a medium-sized pot, I'm going to add 2 cups of finely shredded coconuts, 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons of finely grated ginger, a generous 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and just a pinch of some ground cinnamon. Mix these ingredients together until they're well combined, and I'll leave this on a medium heat until the sugar starts to dissolve, and this takes just about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add 1 cup of water and cook this until the sugar forms a thick syrup and the coconut is cooked properly. This is going to take another 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. I don't want to cook all of the liquids out of the mixture. I want there to be some liquids in there, and this syrup is going to hold the barfi together and keep it nice and moist. Next, I'm going to add in 2 1/4 cups of powdered milk. Not all at once, I'm going to add it gradually, mixing in each addition until it's well combined and that it's well absorbed into the syrup. As you add your powdered milk, you really want to keep an eye on the consistency of the mixture. Usually, once you've added 2 cups of powdered milk, you can begin to check the consistency before you add any extra. And this is just to make sure that the barfi does not turn out dry and it stays really nice and moist. You'll know that the barfi is ready when it begins pulling aside from the pot and forming a ball as you mix. And also, if you roll a little bit between your fingers, it should form a very soft ball, keeping in mind that it is going to harden a little bit as it sets. Once the barfi mixture is ready, you can remove it from the pot and place it into a bowl lightly greased with some butter. I'll let this cool for 10 minutes before I can move on to the next step. To roll the barfi, I have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and some maraschino cherries that I've squeezed dry and cut into quarters, or you can also use glazed cherries. Taking 1 tablespoon of barfi and adding some unsalted butter to your hands, roll the barfi to form a smooth ball, coat the barfi in the granulated sugar, and to finish off, place a piece of the cherry in the middle of the barfi, pressing it gently so that it sticks in the center, and here you have your first barfi completed. Repeat this process until you've finished making all of the barfi, and if you wanted a less sweet option, you can also roll the barfi in some powdered milk instead of the granulated sugar. This coconut barfi is so soft, it melts in your mouth with the powdered milk. I love the crunch that you get from the coconuts, and my favorite part is the spices and the flavor of the ginger that comes across. This recipe is definitely a keeper. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know in the comments, or feel free to message me and let me know if you try it and what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe, invite your friends to do as well, to Erica's Joyful Oven on Facebook and YouTube, and check out my website at joyfuloven.com. I'll see you guys next time for another amazing recipe. Bye guys!